Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Mr. English podcast, where learning English feels easy and fun. I'm Nora.
And I'm Jack. Hello, friends. How are you today? Did you sleep well?
I hope so, because today's topic is perfect for mornings. We're going to talk about something you do every day, your morning routine.
That's right. You'll learn how to describe your daily actions using simple English sentences, like, I wake up at 7, or I drink coffee before work.
These phrases use the present simple tense, which we use to talk about habits and routines.
So prepare your coffee or tea, relax, and enjoy some English practice with us.
And before we start, a quick reminder, please subscribe to our channel, the Mr. English Podcast, and give this episode a thumbs up. It really helps us grow.
Okay, ready? Let's start our day in English.
Nora, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
First, I open my eyes and try to remember where I am. Then I get up and stretch.
Stretching is so important. That helps your body wake up.
Exactly. After that, I go to the bathroom, wash my face, and brush my teeth.
Classic morning steps. I do almost the same. Let's share some common morning words for our listeners. Listen carefully. Wake up, get up, brush teeth, wash face, take a shower, get dressed, eat breakfast, go to work or school.
Perfect. Short, clear verbs. You can make easy sentences using I plus verb plus time.
For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Or, I take a shower at 7:30.
Jack, what time do you usually wake up?
Around 6:30. I'm an early bird. How about you?
I'm the opposite, a night owl. I usually wake up around 8.
Lucky you. But whether you wake up early or late, your morning routine is a great way to practice English.
Many learners confuse two verbs, wake up and get up.
Yes, wake up means your eyes open. You're not sleeping anymore. Get up means you leave your bed.
Example, I wake up at 7, but I get up at 7:30.
That's me every Saturday.
Let's do a small role play. Jack and I will talk about our morning routines. Listen carefully to the present simple verbs.
Okay, here we go.
Jack, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30, then I get up, go to the kitchen, and make coffee.
Coffee first.
Always. After that, I take a shower, get dressed, and listen to a short podcast.
Do you eat breakfast?
Of course, I eat some toast with eggs and drink orange juice. What about you, Nora?
Well, I wake up at 8. I usually scroll on my phone for a few minutes. Not a good habit. Then I take a shower, brush my teeth, and make breakfast.
What do you eat?
Sometimes cereal, sometimes pancakes.
Yum!
After breakfast, I feed my cat and start preparing for work.
Nice. You see, friends, we both used many present simple verbs. Let's look at some of them. Wake, get, take, brush, eat, drink. Start.
Now, let's talk about time expressions we use in routines.
Good idea. Here are some useful ones. At 6 o'clock, in the morning, before work, after breakfast, then, next, finally.
You can combine them like this. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I take a shower. After that, I eat breakfast.
Simple, logical, and easy.
Let's make another mini dialogue with time words. Jack, what's your usual weekday routine?
Well, I wake up at 6:30. After that, I do some light exercise for 10 minutes. Then I take a shower at 6:45.
Wow, very organized.
I try. Then around 7:15, I eat breakfast. After breakfast, I read a few emails before leaving for work at 8 o'clock.
That's a perfect example. Notice how he used then, after that, and before. Those words make your routine sound clear and natural.
Exactly. You can picture my morning just by listening.
Let's imagine you are at work or school and someone asks about your morning. Let's try that conversation.
Sure.
Hi, Jack. How was your morning today?
Pretty good. I woke up on time, made coffee, and even had time for some reading.
Nice. Did you cook breakfast?
No, not today. I had some toast. Quick and easy. What about you?
My morning was busy. I woke up late, so I had to hurry.
Oh, no.
Yes, I brushed my teeth, ran to the bus, and forgot my umbrella.
A real morning adventure.
Exactly. So remember, listeners, everyday stories like these are a great way to practice English.
Let's quickly fix some small mistakes learners often make.
Yes. Mistake number 1, saying, I am wake up at 7. That's incorrect.
Right. We say, I wake up at 7. No need for am.
Mistake 2, using at morning instead of in the morning.
Right. Say in the morning.
Mistake 3, forgetting a S for he or she. For example, he wake up at 6 is wrong. Correct is he wakes up at 6.
That little s is small but important.
Now, friends, it's your turn.
Yes, we'll say part of a sentence, and you can finish it out loud. Ready?
I wake up at.
Chad, then I.
After that, I.
Jack, great job. Speaking out loud helps you remember words.
Next, a short quiz. I'll say a description, and you choose the correct verb. I open my eyes and stop sleeping. Is it wake up or get up?
Answer, wake up,
I leave my bed, wake up or get up?
get up,
I put on my clothes. What verb?
get dressed.
Nice job, everyone. Remember, short practice sessions like this really build your speaking muscles.
And you can ask yourself simple questions every morning, like, what time is it? What am I doing now? What's next? That keeps your English active.
Let's try one more interactive moment. We'll build a short routine together.
Repeat after me, slowly.
Nora and Jack together. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get up and take a shower. I brush my teeth and get dressed. I eat breakfast at 7:30. I go to work at 8 o'clock.
Perfect. You just spoke an entire English paragraph.
Nora, let's review what we learned today.
Jad, we learned morning routine verbs, wake up, get up, brush, eat, take, go.
And we practiced time words at 7, before work, after breakfast, then.
Jad, we also learned the difference between wake up and get up.
Remember, the present simple tense describes your regular habits. For example, I brush my teeth every morning. She drinks coffee before work.
So tomorrow morning, talk to yourself in English. Describe everything you do, from waking up to leaving home.
Yes. Example, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making coffee. Even if no one hears you, it's great practice.
Exactly. The more you talk, the faster you improve.
Well, that brings us to the end of today's episode. Let's talk about your morning routine.
Jad, we hope you enjoyed practicing simple English sentences with us.
Now, it's your turn. Please go to the comments and tell us, what time do you wake up? What do you do after you get up?
Chad, we love reading your answers.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends who are learning English.
Every day is a new chance to improve. Start with one small sentence.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
Jad, we bold Nora and Jack together. Keep practicing and keep smiling. Bye for now.